Hi there. In this video, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth not turning on, Bluetooth not working, or Bluetooth not connecting on Android phone. So let's get started. Method 1. Go to Settings. Scroll down and find out Apps. Tap on it. Tap here and select Show System Apps. Scroll down and find out the Bluetooth. Tap on Bluetooth. Tap on Force Stop, then tap OK. Tap on Storage. Clear the cache and clear the data. After that, move back and tap on Permission. Make sure all the permissions are allowed. Once it is completed, move back to the home screen and restart your phone. After the restart, turn on the Bluetooth. I hope your problem will be fixed. Method number 2. Go to Settings. Find out General Management or Reset option. For Samsung phone, tap on General Management. Tap on Reset. Then tap on Reset Network Settings. Tap on Reset Settings. Unlock your phone. Tap on Reset. After the network setting reset, I hope your problem will be no longer available.